Hey guys, me Tesla Blaine, and I'm back again. I just got another notification on my phone. I now have version 2020.48.10 that is now available for me to update in my car. I got a 2020 Tesla Model Y, long range, all-wheel drive, white exterior, white interior. Best car I've ever had in the world, so I love it. Once again, another install, another update. I'm not 100% on what all this will be, what updates we get. It could be some bugs, it could fix some different things that we won't even notice. It might give me some new updates, I'm not sure. I'm sure it's not the new version 11 that's coming out, obviously, but anyways, hopefully we get that by the end of the year. So this hit install now and check this thing out and see what it is. All right, guys. All right, I'm going to start it. Install now. There we go. Update 2020.48.10. It's going to begin in less than 2 minutes. All right, so got the new update finished up, and let's see what it says here. So we got text messaging improvements. Consecutive messages from the same sender will now be displayed and dictated together for an improved viewing and listening experience. To view conversations, open Application Launcher and tap Call Messages. You can now double press the right scroll wheel button to easily dismiss an incoming text message or record an outgoing text message. So I can just press this to get rid of the message that's popping up on the screen, or I can also press it to record an outgoing text message, which is pretty cool. As usual, to enable text messaging, tap the Bluetooth icon on the top of the display and enable sync messages. All right, not bad. Note, due to the limitations of Bluetooth support from your device, you will not be able to send group messages. Oh well, that's fine. The other update here says the Tracks version 0.2. It says Tracks is now redesigned to help you create audio masterpieces with just a few taps. Quickly preview and mix sounds with a new drum machine and instrument selector, or use the new tools and volume controls to reorder, loop, and mix tracks. To access, open the Application Launcher and tap Toy Box, Tracks, Let's Jam. However, for me, I do not play with that. That is not something that I'm even interested in, to be honest with you, but it's another update that we get for the car. Sentry mode improvements. Sentry mode footage of the last panic event will now be saved to onboard memory. To view or save this clip, plug in a USB device, launch the dash cam viewer, and tap the same icon on the bottom right corner of the screen. All right, well, that's pretty good. So if you're in an accident or you hit the horn or whatever, and it'll save it to your onboard memory. That's pretty good. All right, pretty cool. It says this release contains minor improvements and bug fixes. Not too bad, and this is the previous notes, some of the previous ones that they've done, and not too bad. All right, another update. However, I did not get the version 11. I did not get the updated full self-driving features that are coming out soon. However, once again, I got some pretty cool features updated. The text messaging, if I played the little Tracks musical app that's on the car here, that'd be cool. The Sentry mode improvements, hopefully I never need that, but at least I know that it will save the footage from the most recent panic event that happened, so that's pretty cool. Guys, once again, this company, it's awesome. Whenever they, all their engineers and everybody are in there continuously making improvements on the car, they send it out to everybody that's already has the car, so your car is constantly being updated. It's just unbelievable. I can't wait until I get to the newest features. Well guys, once again, like I said in the past, anytime I get an update in my car, I will quickly make a video and get this out there to everybody so you can see it and you can know what's coming. Some people might have already received this update, some may not. It might take a while. I do have the advanced setting on my vehicle set, so maybe I might get them a little bit quicker than everybody, but maybe not. You know, it's just cool to be able to get them and see what new updates come out. I'm always going to be uploading the videos as soon as I get it done. Hey guys, also one more thing. From my last video that I put out, well, my wife Sarah, she said, hey, there's something inside the car that's going to, you know, a little game to see if anybody could figure out where I am originally from. And we had some comments put in, and it looks like we had Brad, we had Two Dreamin', and we had the Biker Bug. They all figured it out. Yes, my shirt said the Cat's Eye Saloon. It's a local bar there in Athens, Ohio. Originally, I grew up in Athens, Ohio. And after I spent my high school years there and I graduated, I joined the Air Force. I immediately did 20 years in the Air Force, and then I retired here in Fort Walton Beach, Florida. So thanks again for catching that little slogan there that I had from my shirt that I had from the Cat's Eye. Once again, Athens, Ohio, home of Ohio University, and also the home of Joe Burrows. You know, he went through high school there and took the high school team to the state championship and did all that. He's a great guy and great football player, and I just wish I got to meet him, but I never did. But anyways, Athens, Ohio is my original town I'm from, so thanks again for watching. Please guys, hit subscribe, like my videos, and until next time, have fun, stay safe, drive safe, and always wear a mask as much as you can so we can get out of this pandemic and move on with our lives. All right guys, thanks.